Welcome to a City Girl in the Country Kitchen. I'm Karen. Today we're going to make a ham and cheese hash brown, and it's pretty simple. It actually is really simple. And what you use here is I have a 32-ounce bag or 30-ounce bag of frozen hash browns that I got out the frozen food department. I have 2 cans of cream of potato soup that I'm going to just dump on in here. This is a real simple dish that you can make ahead of time and have the next morning. It's hearty. You don't need a meat in the morning because the meat's already added in. All you need is maybe a piece of toast and a glass of juice or coffee, whichever one that you like. And it's really, really easy. So that's 1 can there. And here's our 2nd can. This is a very good brunch meal dish that you can take to someone's house or have at your house, and you know, have other sides with it. You can make, if you like, you can make, you know, sausages or bacon to go with it, and have mimosas, which is a orange juice and champagne. So that's the 2nd can. I'm going to dump a whole 16-ounce container of sour cream in here. Like I said, you can cook this ahead of time and then reheat it. It's so quick and kids love it. At least my kids do. I'm going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese to this mixture. I'm using the sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. Some people like Swiss with their ham, but I like a little cheddar cheese. About 2 cups. And then we're going to add about 8 ounces of some already cooked cubed ham that you can get in your deli, or you can buy some ham. You can use leftover ham and use that. You know, like Easter, you always have ham left over. That next day you can have a nice ham. The juice is getting in there. I'm going to use half of this package here. You can serve this with a nice scrambled eggs, or it's just really easy. You can pretty much put anything that you want in here. It's so easy. And the taste is really delectable. I'm almost finished here. Let me wash my hands. You always want to keep your hands washed in between cooking. You don't want to contaminate anything. We're going to mix this up. I'm going to put a couple dashes of pepper in here. It's to your taste. You don't have to add pepper if you don't like. But I like pepper, and my kids and my husband like pepper, so there we go. I'm going to add a couple of dashes of Parmesan cheese to it. Gives it a nice flavor. I'm going to stir this up. And this takes about an hour to cook. You want it nice and golden brown. Looks good. Smells good already, that ham. You can put eggs in here if you like. My husband and son going to school and work tomorrow. They probably aren't going to want any egg or onions. So we're going to mix this up really good, and then we're going to put it, I already have a greased 13 by 9 glass dish here. Then we're just going to put in there. And that'll be it. Okay. Let's dump this in. And we'll let this, like I said, get brown and bubbly. And then you'll know it's done. It's to your liking. You want the potatoes to be done. There we go. And that's it. And we'll put this in for, like I said, about an hour on a preheated 375-degree oven. I'll see you when we get back.